Welcome back. Time now 6:42. Here's a live look from our NBC 25 Skycam in Frankenmuth. Notice the traffic out there a little slower than normal. There are some snow-covered roadways, and in this particular shot, it looks like there's a lot of wet pavement out there because of the salting out there. So be careful, slow your speeds down, give yourself some extra travel space between you and the vehicle in front of you. Already 4 accidents reported this morning through Genesee County. That's where the snow has been most heavy. Hard to call it heavy. We're only looking at a half an inch to an inch of accumulation out of this lake effect band as it's kind of swept through the area. Notice there wasn't much near midnight, and then all of us started to pick up on some of the snow shower activity, but it's more widespread and concentrated from Saginaw and Tuscola counties south into Shiawassee, Lapeer, and Genesee County. So heads up, lake effect snow showers this morning with us, up to 1 inch of accumulation. Most of that has already fallen though, and then we'll see things quieting down for us by mid to late morning with just a few flurries and light snow showers left over here and there. Temperatures cold in the 20s, but guess what? We're actually above average for a change. How about that? 21 is the average low. We haven't been getting there for average high temperatures for the last couple of days. So we are a little bit warmer today. 28 in Flint, 27 in Saginaw, 26 in Bay City and Caro, 22 in Clare, and 24 in Tawas. Afternoon high temperatures not going to fluctuate much from where they're at this morning though. So most of us will stay right into the upper 20s. The average high is about 34 degrees. We'll be past that as we go into tomorrow. So we're finally getting out of that very Arctic cold weather pattern. Even though it'll still be cold, we'll at least get to somewhat normalcy as we go into the next 24-hour period. So after the lake effect snow moves out, we'll see partly to mostly cloudy skies today. There will be a few breaks of sunshine here and there from the cloud cover. And then look out west. Not a lot to talk about. Haven't been able to say that since last week because we've had snow every day since Saturday. Well, things are starting to change up for us, and you can't really look at the changes on this map, just a few clouds hit and miss, but look at the temperature changes. 33 now in Kansas City, 28 in Sioux Falls, still very cold up in International Falls, but that's it. That's the only spot that's seeing the very cold Arctic air. The rest of us are just cold and a little warmer to the south and west. Well, that south and west warmth is going to be moving into our area from today into tonight. So overnight tonight, temperatures will fall back into the mid-20s, and there could be a little bit of patchy freezing drizzle because that warmer air will kind of ride over top of the colder air here at the surface, and that could set the stage for some slick spots tomorrow morning. So Futurecast gets the snow out of here from this morning into the afternoon. Partly cloudy skies, maybe some sunshine here and there, but as soon as the skies start to clear, we get that warm air, what we call overrunning, going over top of the cold air as that warm air starts to move from the plain states, and that sets up a little bit of precipitation, and because we'll see temperatures below freezing, we could see some patchy freezing drizzle tomorrow morning. And then we look at a very sloppy weather pattern from Thursday afternoon into Friday. We'll have an area of low pressure swing to our south, but it's warm enough to give us a rain-snow mix. But overnight Thursday into Friday, temperatures will get closer to freezing, so that could set the stage for 1 to 2 inches of snowfall. Then as we look ahead, Saturday, a few rain and snow showers, possibly some freezing rain mixed in with that as well, but the bulk of that will fall from Saturday night into Sunday, Joel. That's when temperatures will fall back below freezing again, changing what precipitation is left into all snow, and we could see several inches of accumulation. A very tricky forecast, and we'll have to watch it closely.